people, hope you guys doing great. Thank you very much for the support and I really appreciate. Alright, today I'm here to cook chicken dum biryani and I'm gonna show how to cook at home. I know dum biryani is famous in the restaurants where they have everything and the environment and the charcoal and tandoori bhatti and everything, but I'm gonna show you how to cook at home. Okay, stay tuned guys, hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, so what I did is I just put some slits on the chicken, so when we marinate the chicken, so the marinade gets inside. So I've got 1 cup of thick yogurt, I'm adding green chilies and some curry leaves. So I've slit some, the green chilies I've slit into half, and I'm gonna add some ginger garlic paste. Gonna give it a nice mix first before I add the dry spices. So I'm using chicken thighs and chicken drums, guys. It's up to you. If you want to use whole chicken into pieces, then all good. A bit of olive oil, a splash of olive oil, red chili powder, some turmeric, some garam masala. This is the main ingredient for biryani, and some coriander powder, some jeera powder. I'm gonna add some cardamom powder, and salt and pepper as per the taste, and give it a nice mix. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a nice mix, and it's always good to store the chicken for 45 minutes to 1 hour in the refrigerator so the marinade gets into the pieces. So remember, we put some slits on the chicken. That will help the marinade go inside the chicken pieces. So mix it thoroughly and then leave it covered for like an hour. It's up to you. If you've got time, you can put it more than an hour. 2 hours will also be very good. But with minimum 45 minutes, you need to marinate and keep it covered and put it in the fridge. So I'm gonna start with the rice prep now. So I've got Basmati rice. It's a nice long grain perfumed Basmati rice. Add water. So you can see the first and the second slide for ingredients and quantities, guys. I'm adding 1 cup of milk, and I'm gonna add some dry spices, salt to the taste, and then I'm gonna add the dry spices. As you can see, I've got all the dry spices: nutmegs, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, star anise, bay leaves, and some whole pepper. I've also got some jeera, which is cumin. Give it a nice mix. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna start cooking simultaneously the chicken and the rice. We're not gonna cook the rice to the 100%. So as you can see, if in the ingredients, I did not put like kind of the water quantity. I've reduced it. So I'm gonna cook just 60% of the rice, and then I'm gonna also cook the chicken until you see the oil comes out. I'm adding butter, and the rest of the butter goes in for the chicken. So what we do is we're gonna start cooking the chicken. Once the chicken, if you see the oils are oozing out from the pieces, that's where is the time the rice need to be put as layers. So that's the reason I started cooking both of them at the same time. So rice should be done within 10 minutes, and the chicken, it will take 10 minutes, same time as well, to the oils to be oozed out of the pieces. And then you're gonna spread it evenly, cook it, toss and turn, keep stirring so that the chicken pieces cooks thoroughly on all the sides. We're not gonna completely cook it because we're gonna steam the chicken, which is the dum. So we're gonna close it and then we're gonna cover it. I'm adding a chopped red onion. I've just used one red onion. This is optional, guys. This is not required because we're gonna use the fried onions in the later stage when we start layering the rice as well. You can also add some nicely thinly sliced carrots and potatoes as well if you want to, along with the onions, but that is not mandatory. So cover the chicken and cook it. So rice and chicken should be on the correct state in 10 minutes. There you go. It's nice. We can see the oils coming out, and then we're gonna start layering the rice now. I'm just adding a bit of garam masala just to give a added kick to it, and then I'm gonna layer the rice. There you go. Be gentle so you don't break the rice grains. Remember, guys, this is basmati. It's long grain rice, and it's also got nice perfumed smell. There you go. I'm gonna add some fried onions and some chopped mint and coriander. So what I'm doing is I've put some I'm putting some mint leaves, chopped mint leaves and coriander, and I'm gonna layer it again, and then I'm gonna repeat the process. So once you're done with the layerings, what we need to do is we need to add some clarified butter. There you go. I've got some clarified butter. I'm just gonna spread it across. So what this butter will help us is it helps us the rice to be fluffy, and we're gonna cover. Okay, this is I'm using just to make sure the heat is very low, so and it spreads across evenly from the bottom so that the middle don't get burnt. And now what I'm doing is I'm using silver foil. I'm going to close the top with a lid so that you don't want to escape any steam or any smell from the biryani whilst cooking. So it's 15 minutes, simmer, close it, then it should be ready. There you go, guys. That's looking fantastic. There you go, guys. Nice and yummy chicken dum biryani ready to serve. As you can see, rice is fluffy and nicely done. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. Thank you very much.